Alright, let's create something real. If you're starting from zero, no skills, no experience, no confidence, and you want to actually make money on Fiverr in 2026, I'm going to walk you through the best in 5 easiest gigs beginners you can start today. Plus the 3 strategies top Fiverr sellers use that beginner never think about, right? The whole breakdown is based on analyzing real top sellers, studying what's ranking right now, and checking actual search demand, and reverse engineering what Fiverr pushes to the front page. And yes, I'm adding hacks, mistakes to avoid, templates, and real examples so you're not stuck repeating the same generic advice from videos you've already seen. Let's get straight into it. Okay, these require zero technical skills, extremely low competition, and fast delivery. First off, TikTok and Instagram reel captions plus hashtags pack. Why this works? Short form content hasn't slowed down. Creators need captions every day. Competitors, mostly lazy. They just generate AI text and call it a gig. But the new trend, personality-based caption packs. Creators want captions that match their vibe, right? You could go ahead right here, for example, right? Or just type short form content. Okay, and you can see an examples of that. Okay, just go ahead right here, for example. Okay, and you can offer 30 caption pack, 30 optimized. Right here, 30 caption pack, 3 optimized hashtags, 3 personality styles, funny, clean, aesthetic, motivational, right? As a beginner, you don't need writing talent. Use AI plus edit tone plus niche them down, okay? Example gig, right? I will edit or create your viral speechless or faceless TikTok videos, right? Or I will write viral Instagram captions plus personalized hashtags set for your niche, okay? Send the client a free bonus, 5 emoji style captions. This increases review rates by 40% based on top seller behavior, okay? Secondly, simple website bio or about me writing. Why it's easy? People hate writing about themselves. Businesses need it, influencers need it, even Etsy sellers need it, right? High demand, low supply of quality. Okay, you can just type in your bio, right? Some information like I can summarize it to 75 to 150 word, right? Tone captions, professional, friendly, fun, luxury brand, 24-hour delivery, right? Make sure you are available 24/7. That's what they prefer. Okay, so example, hi, I'm Sarah. I help busy dog owners train better in less time, right? You can generate a first draft with AI, then rewrite it in natural language. Okay, simple hack. Ask the client 3 questions only. What do you do? Who do you help? What transformation do you create? Top sellers always minimize friction. That's why they convert. Okay. Thirdly, Fiverr SEO optimized gig descriptions for other sellers. This niche exploded because new Fiverr sellers don't know how Fiverr SEO works. Okay, why it's perfect? Beginner friendly, 0 editing skills, high demand, clients equals other beginners. Okay, what you deliver: gig titles, tags, SEO description, CTA plus keywords, competitor analysis, optional upsell. Okay, example, just type in the standard or depending on your tier, I will rewrite your Fiverr gig description with SEO keywords so you can rank higher. Okay, use quote unquote spy method, right? Search the gig's niche, copy competitor keywords, reuse phrase structures, not the text. Top sellers do this daily. Okay, so fourth, proofreading short documents up to 500 words. Simplest service on Fiverr. Okay, just type fix typo. Okay. Fix typos, fix spacing, fix grammar. AI helps you do 90% of the work. Why it still works? People don't trust AI only. They want a human final check. What you offer, fix grammar, right? Fix punctuation, improve clarity, okay? 24-hour delivery, clean plus tracked versions, okay? Offer a $5 gig for up to 300 words. This creates traffic. Then upsell bigger proofreading packages. Lastly, Canva social media template. Okay, just type right here, social media template. One of the things that sells on Fiverr daily, because businesses need content now, not next week. Canva does everything for you, right? You just tweak colors and add texts. Okay, you can just search for templates or find templates on Canva that works for your niche. And what you provide on Fiverr, right? You could provide right here. Let me go to the example page. You offer 10 Instagram templates, right? 5 story templates and 5 thumbnails. Okay, an editable Canva link. Example niches: realtors, fitness coaches, restaurants, podcasters, beauty, or skincare. Niche templates dominate general ones. Extra hack: include 3 color themes. It looks premium but takes 2 minutes to duplicate. Okay, so this is the video, right? If you're serious about making money on Fiverr in 2026, start with one of the 5 beginner-friendly gigs I gave you. Apply the 3 gig positioning, refresh your gig daily, and use the 3 response rule every time someone messages you. After digging through the top sellers, reverse engineering their moves, and watching the game from every angle, the truth is simple. Fiverr isn't luck, it's leverage. The people winning aren't quote-unquote better. They're smarter, sharper, and more intentional with every pixel, every word, every delivery. So take these strategies. Don't just save them. Tattoo them into your workflow. Show up like a pro. Communicate like someone who knows their value. And build offers that make clients feel like they'd be missing out if they don't hit that order button. Because once you combine clarity, speed, and a little bit of storytelling magic, you stop chasing clients, and clients start chasing you. This is your blueprint, your playbook, your edge. Run with it and watch your Fiverr world shift. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next time.